Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are fixing our cupboards and finishing our cupboards. They are all painted and now our rattan has arrived from Amazon. We ordered it about a week ago I think, and it finally got here, so we have a big roll of rattan and we are underway. We are building. I don't want to do what you did last time and give me the box with an address on it, so I'm going to unwrap it here. It feels a lot lighter. Oh my lordy.
Nearly lost you.
Feels a lot lighter.
Oh.
It's not a lot.
It's not?
Not really.
Oh.
So we did get the big open weave, which I think is cool, and the style that we're going for.
No, we didn't.
We did.
That's the square one.
We got the big open one.
That doesn't have the circles, no?
Did we get the circle one?
No, this is the squares. This is squares.
It is square, and we got the square one. So this is the one we ordered.
Yeah.
You said it wasn't.
What do you mean?
You said this is the one we ordered.
No, I said it's not the open one. It's squares, not the open circles.
No, it's open weave. It's like you can see through
Oh,
it.
okay.
You're not even pointing the camera at me.
Yes, I am. Honey, you have to point so much lower than you think. Look, if it's upright, it does the ceiling. It has to be all the way down. Live dispute.
So yeah, that's going to be our next step. Apparently you soak this, you give it a bath, and then roll it out and stuff. But I got that real deal. You could buy the plastic one, but I wanted the real one. So I'm very excited to finish the cupboards and kind of get like a glimpse of what they look like. Everything is, it's just such a slow process building. And
Finalizing. When everything's custom, has to fit in places.
Yeah. And Sean is doing everything. It's a big custom job.
Trying my best.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna figure this out and watch us.
And hopefully do flooring today.
And hopefully do our flooring today.
A lot of big visual changes incoming.
I'm excited.
We got a walker behind you.
Very random, but where I'm living at the moment is pretty close to a golf course, and around the perimeter is a lot of lost bowls. Look at all these golf bowls that I found. I just wanted to talk about how totally fun it is to find golf bowls. It's like an Easter egg hunt that never stops. Anyway, random, but I just wanted to share because it's fun. And it's part of my life now. Finding golf balls as of yesterday. But I found that many in one go. Anyway, yeah.
Are you sure we have to wet this?
Yeah.
Sure.
No, but it should have instructions on it.
Doesn't.
Low key. And today's outfit, women's best. You know, I've been working with these guys for so long, and then they just keep putting out the good stuff. But I've got on my little baby tee, and I've got the comfort joggers on, and I've just got the new ones too, but I'm wearing these ones because they are a bit older and now they have paint on them, but I love them. They're my favorite. They make the best joggers in the world. And yeah, anyway, let's rattan this bad boy. Subject lost. I've been lost. How I? Like, what you want me to guess? $55
Oh, we're doing centimeters, okay.
Well, what is that?
26.5 inches.
Huh.
That's probably close.
Oh, let's have a look.
There's centimeters on the other.
26.5 inches.
Yeah, I bet it's close.
Oh,
Ooh.
no way! That.
The internet is wrong. It's not 67, it's 55.
You know what, I was gonna say something. You know what, yeah.
No.
I just feel like everything in my head, like everything 60 rounds up to the full amount. Does that make sense? So I do it with money as well. Because of time. Time really conditioned me to think that way.
60 cents. That's about it.
60 centimeters.
Money, time,
I actually
distance.
do that with money accidentally.
Yeah.
What's that?
Stingray Cityscapes just came on. What the hell?
Well,
Back
that's
to
us getting blacklisted.
Yeah, stop it. Well, it's probably. Anyways. Preservo. Shut it
So
off.
I don't want to soak the whole thing, you know?
Yeah, that's why I wouldn't go.
Don't want to throw the baby out with the bathwater.
That's why. Sad.
Have you ever heard that expression?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't even know what it means. I just know that my mum would say it. I think it means when you... What do you think it means? When you give up on everything. Or when you're so extreme.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Like if you were to cut a piece of this and be like, oh, and you threw the whole thing out because you ruined it, but really it's just a small piece. The bath water you're supposed to get rid of anyways. The cutoffs you're supposed to get rid of anyways, but you don't get rid of the whole thing.
The baby out with the bath water. Unintentionally discard something valuable or good while trying to get rid of something bad or unwanted. The essential along with the the essential along with the non-essential.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Anyway, that was our whole. It's very stiff. It doesn't have much. But surely it will just dry and then you just do it again, right? You can just keep re-soaking it. I don't think you have to do everything at once. Like you'll snap it, and once you snap it.
You think? I think we can unroll it more. There's no way you can. Maybe not though.
Oh, it's a tight weave.
Oh, it is.
It's a tight weave. Okay, we gotta figure this out, guys. I can just black it out. Oh, she. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Nice.
Let's go. You already got the welcome to public mobile and yours is rolling.
It's fine, he can talk about public mobile, maybe they'll sponsor the video.
Yeah. Give us free data plans. This is so fun using this gun.
If it's not working, lift it up and put it back down.
It just kind of picks when it wants to work. I also think it has a finicky battery.
Yeah, I think you might want to try a different battery.
And, moment of truth.
Ooh, it looks so good.
I can't believe. How good is that? Looking nice. In the back. I might just clean it up a bit.
So
I'm
good.
super stoked with that, yeah.
Those on the
Woo! Yeah.
battery above the bed.
I just love the return. Yay!
It does look cool.
Good morning from Cranbrook, British Columbia. It is a fine morning, quite cold, and we are dealing with a situation, unfortunately. So the rattan went really well with the cupboards and everything's looking schmick, but unfortunately yesterday when we were doing that, we walked outside and the van was smoking like a smokehouse. So the tragedy. So now
Doesn't it smell good?
now it smells like diesel because that thing over there got ruined by squirrel activity, I think. I don't really know anything about what's going on except that this was smoking. The fire alarm that was up there was just going off. And yeah, so now we have a smoky van. The van's name is Van Diesel, so it kind of works out, checks out. We're gonna floor today, but we need to find a way to remove this putrid odor.
Because a squirrel chewed on the...
Because squirrel... Okay, we're gonna look. Anyway, so the plan is to start the flooring. And yeah, what can I say? I don't want it to stink in there.
No, it's like right here.
Point?
Right there.
not seeing a thing.
Honey.
How does it work?
Oh no. What do we got going on here?
Been chewed by the squirrel. Have you looked in the hood to check it's not making a home?
I need to do that.
Yeah. Apparently that's a thing here.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
It is. It's happened before.
Adorable little rats. I'm peeling off. I thought I did such a good job with taping. Turns out... Oh, see, that's actually pretty good. I don't know what happened there. So, it's harder than it looks, especially when you have rounded edges to... Like, what? Oh, Sean.
What?
I'm just not as good at taping as I thought I was. Like, why?
Where?
Just everywhere.
Yeah. That's still tape under there. You're good.
No, but that's not. What the heck?
Yes, it is.
It
Look,
is?
There's still tape. See that I
why
can pull it back?
Really?
It's just maybe not very good tape. It's not your fault, man.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
Good morning, guys. So, update. We are done with the flooring. When I say we, Sean is, because I didn't really do anything except sit there and watch. Anyway, I'll show you what it looks like. You can see that, yeah, basically all of the floor is covered except a little bit around the edges, but this will have things going over it, so that's okay. And then, yeah, honestly, I just love this color so much. I love the way it turned out. It's going to be a super easy floor to clean, and look how nice and tidy. Sean did such a good job. I'm so impressed. And then we got this gold trim on the end there, and then on the other side we stuck the bed frame in last night. So we just got to kind of, and we're sticking things underneath it. I'm doing a terrible job explaining. We're sticking things underneath it. Sorry, I'm a bit sick, so my voice is a little bit oof. To just reinforce and make sure it's nice and sturdy, and it's getting lifted. Woohoo! Just a few more inches so there's enough storage space underneath, because we'll be accessing that from the back from storage, and then we'll have access from the front for storage too. And then over here we are going to have 2 seats ready for the vision. You got to use your imagination here. 1 seat here, and on the opposite side seat there, because we've really prioritized, like, okay, what do we want in the van, and that's to have comfortable seating areas, that we can, a workspace and a bed that doesn't need folding out, that we can easily get into, because we're not actually going to spend a lot of time in the van except to work and sleep and sometimes eat. Everything else will be done outside if the weather permits. Anyway, so another seat, and we're going to have our kitchen will be across here. Unfortunately, it will be covering part of the window, most of the window, and then it'll end here. The heater will be underneath, and then our water system will be here as well. There's a few things I don't really know, like how it's going to work, but you know, Sean has his vision, and I'm just here to help execute that by doing the tasks that I can. So he's definitely more of the woodworky one of us. But I'm just, yeah, I am the assistant. But yeah, it's been fun to kind of like look at the space and think, oh, well, what's gonna work, what's not gonna work. Anyway, today I'm just tidying up. Unfortunately, I had a bit of a mishap with my cupboard painting. I'll show you. I don't know what's really going. It's the paint kind of just, I don't know. It's got painter's tape, I should say, just ripped off my paint here and here, which is fine. I just need to quickly fix it with a little brush, and then here you can see the colour difference. Unfortunately, the painter's tape ripped off the other coat as well, so I'll fix that. But these little jobs that I don't mind doing, and then our things are all ready to like put on. They look so good. Obviously the rattan is just, oh, it looks so cool. Anyway, so I'm gonna, you can see there's like a little patch there missing. Boop. So I'm gonna go fix that, and then I don't really know what else I'm doing today. but we're going to be figuring out. There's so many little things to figure out. It's a very odd space. Like, for example, this is just like, what's going on here? You know, we've got this bit of wood, this gap, and then it goes down again. So we got to find stuff that's going to like cover it. We want it to be like nice, seamless finish. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. And yeah, paint, do my best anyway. And hopefully when I pick you up again, I'll be showing you some more progress.